After Rain Light by Pie Corbett.
The Gardens are Opals in a jewellery box.
Cream roses are a pearl rape, the ruby's blush.
Flower beds are a crush of colour.
The blackbird sings across the glistening emerald lawn.
Dawned raindrops are a wedding's promise. Jade leaves hang like earrings.
Buttercups have flakes of gold, lavender, a purple brooch.
The morning glory is a sapphire. Fiery topaz sparkles on iris tongues.
The front path glitters like a silver chain catching light.
In the distance, the ring road is a silver bracelet.
The day is a jewel box, its lid an open invitation.